Hello, this is Westgate Property Management, and I am outside of 612 4th Street in Petaluma. I'm going to walk you through this 4-bedroom, 3-bath home in just a moment, but I want to give you a view of the surrounding neighborhood. This home is located just a half a block from Wickersham Park and about 3 blocks from downtown Petaluma. So you come in through a really sweet front porch area, screen door to the living room. There's a lot of updates to this home as well as a lot of period detail that I'll point out. So this would be the living room. This is the dining room area. That is a built-in type cabinet for dishes and things like that. The first bedroom downstairs faces the front of the home. This would make an excellent office. And interior laundry. This is the downstairs bathroom, clawfoot tub, really sweet bathroom. The home also has just a ton of storage, which I will point out. They've really utilized every space for storage. Lovely family room, kitchen area, nice farm sink, gas range, and it leads out into the really sweet backyard. And that garage there is for the tenant's use. However, I wouldn't call it weather tight, so keep that in mind. And there's parking along the driveway there. Give you another view of the kitchen, family room. Now we'll go upstairs. The top of the stairs to the right is the hall bath with a tub and shower. Then this room faces the front of the home. There's a nice walk-in closet as well as storage under the dormer windows. Be a great place for suitcases and things like that. Next bedroom, a nice bookshelf. And then that little nook is perfect for a twin size bed. Again, walk-in closet, as well as bonus storage. It's a really nice space. And there's a sweet vintage storage for, I would assume, for towels and sheets and things like that. So primary suite, really large room, vaulted ceilings. Again, walk-in closet and additional storage. It's a really nice space. Another closet with the same additional storage. So really nice space. See the room again. And then primary bathroom. So no tub in this bathroom. So again, this is 612 4th Street in Petaluma. Thank you so much for watching.